So now, so that's the second part of this video, okay, where we are creating the our own app store. Okay, so we need one server, so we will use your Google Drive, but Google Drive does not support directly download links. Okay, so you cannot get the link that will directly download your app or directly download your image or anything. But we have one trick, so that can that trick will pretty fine. Okay, let me show you how this trick work. Okay, so let me just open my drive, Google Drive. Okay, you have to open your Google Drive, and then you have to upload your own APK. Click on new and you'll find your file upload. Okay, and that's my child app or joystick app. Okay, just open this like this and wait some seconds to upload this. Fine. Now click on this joystick.apk, and here you can see whenever you click on download, this will download. But if I just want not get a link, so suppose click on this three dot share option, and this should be change anything. So anyone can edit this link, anyone can edit this. It means anyone can download this, copy link. If suppose, let me just open incognito and paste this link. Okay, and let's see how it's work. Here you can see this will open that no preview, like it means you can't download your APK directly from Drive. But there is one trick. So what is trick? So open this, just click on the share option simply. Okay, then you have to click on copy link. Now, okay, now you have to paste this link anywhere here. Let me just paste this link. Right now you can see here that one is this one, it means after D, that one is our ID of our app, that one. Okay, that one is the ID of our file. So we need here one thing, that here you can see that one code, that one is link, simple, Google Drive.uc question export dot equal view and an ID equal. I will give you this this link in the description. After this ID you have to paste this ID. Here you'll find after D, okay, after D until this G means after, before the view slash this one. Copy this and paste it here. You got my point? Like what I have done now, just simply what I have done, let me just repeat it again fast. Okay, so you have uploaded that one app. Okay, just open this app, just click on this three dot, click on share option, then you have to select this one change, and then you have to choose anyone with this link. Okay, not restricted, anyone with this link. Make sure this should be editor. Then copy this link, then done. Open any notepad or visual code, anything. Then you have to paste this link like this, then enter. Then you will find this one link. I will give you this link in the description, and you have to copy this link, this one link. Okay, this one link, and you have to copy this link and then equal. Here you'll need to paste this one. Here you'll find 1 2 MW there. You can see, because this one is the ID of our content or of our file, whatever thing we have, and we have to just paste it here like this. Simple. Now let's copy this whole URL. Let me just show you how it's work. Okay, whenever I just put this one link in here, so this will show me like this. But if I just put this link, okay, so let me just enter and let's see how it's work. Just see and wait some seconds. It takes some seconds, actually 4 to 5 seconds, and you will find here my download folder, and you can see after I'm just entering that link, I have that one APK file. It means that one is my direct download link from Google Drive. Good. So you will get 15 GB free space. You all know that, right? So we can upload up to a lot of apps here and use this link. Now what we will do, just we have to go to the here, got this. Okay, MIT App Inventor here. Fine. Now we have a direct download link. Okay, but we are using an extended web viewer to download this and work this link, because our normal browser does not support direct download. Okay, so for that what we will do, we have to call here. You can see, click on this extend web viewer option, click on this, okay, and then you will find here on download needed. Okay, so whenever someone click on this link, so when download needed, then click on this extend web viewer again, and you will find here this one called extend web viewer download file. The file name, I'm to make it text, and all these files are text files, so just copy paste all these files like this here. MIME type, user agent, this one, but this URL, yeah, URI is mine, this one, get URI, this one URL from we are getting from here. Okay, now file name should be here, we have to do something. That file name should be, if I just suppose ninja.apk, okay, this should be dynamic, okay, but right now for ninja apk, okay, MIME type, this should be, what should this should be, just open new tab and just type here MIME type for apk file, okay, and you will find this one. Okay, just copy this MIME type and go to the file inventor and just paste it here like this. Okay, fine, and you don't need to do anything here right now. Now whenever someone click on this button, so in which button we have to click? Okay, so now we have to call download web viewer. Now go to the design, and here you'll find this Fruit Ninja, this button, and that button name is, this button name is button 6. Okay, it means, and button 6 name is Fruit Ninja app. So go to the block. Okay, so on button 6, it means button 3, button 4, button 5, where is button 6? This one. On this button 6 click, okay, we will call here one thing. That one is go to the web viewer, and you will find go to the URL option, this one, call, go to the URL, and the URL, just copy paste this text field here like this, and the URL should be which one that we have created right now, that direct download link that we have created, just paste it here. Okay, so whenever someone click on this button 6, so they will get that particular app that we have uploaded in our drive. Okay, now let's change, that's the overall view. Now let me change that one Ninja app to something more PNG. I have a lot of, okay, but this one is repeating process, right? So you can do it, but let me just display something like Fruit Ninja. So I'm going to make it like a Notes app like this, and let's see, here you can see design. So how we can make this design proper? You can use here some label option, and I'm going to remove this text from label and make this width is 2 or 3% something. So or you should make it, yeah, 3% is fine, but actually you have to make this label here also, and remove this text also, and make this width is 3% also. So this design will look fine. You can do for all these layouts. Okay, you have to do. Now let's click on this button, and you'll find button 2. Okay, so go to the block. Now whenever someone click on this button 2, it means this one button 2. So we have to simply call, let me just delete this and copy paste this one, okay, this button 6 to button 2. So I'm going to change here button 2, but we have to change the Google Drive link also. So I have one more link, direct link is this one, direct downloading I have, and I will just go to the MIT App Inventor and paste it here. Okay, now what will happen, there is some problem with that. Always ninja.apk will download. It means the file name, definitely the apk will be different, but the file name, apk file name will be same. So what we will do here, we will create one variable here. Okay, so what is the variable name? Variable name in slice global, and the value, and I'm going to make this value is something nothing like here. But whenever someone click on button 6, so we will set this variable value. Okay, and we will set this variable value. Now we know that this one is fruit ninja.apk file, right? So we will make it fruit ninja.apk, right? And just copy paste this, and we know that on whenever someone click on button 2, it means that one is notes.apk, so notes.apk file. Now in this URI, in this file name apk, we will get this initialize global variable value. So this will, whenever you click on any button, okay, so you will get different apk file with name. Okay, so that I have completed actually two things here, one and that note, but we have to do everything here like 3, 4, 5, and it's the repeating process, right? I don't think I need to expand it again and again. Okay, so that's the overall app. Okay, so let me know if you have some doubt. You can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.